Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram DM not opening problem. To do this, first close your Instagram and go to your phone setting. Scroll down. Now tap on apps. Now search for Instagram application. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Now clear cache and app data. Go back and now tap on permissions. Make sure all permission is enabled. And now go back and go to your Play Store. Search for Instagram application. Update your Instagram. It's already updated. I'm gonna open it. If you still face this problem, you can restart your phone. Stop in it. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.